before hot shot, and I just added the fuel additive, FX4. Okay. Just added that. It is a little blue smoky right now, and I can smell it. See, you can hear the turbo. Let's see. You can hear the wind of the turbo, but I can't really hear the turbo. Oh. That was cool. Working. Never did that. I never heard that pop before. Smell that fucking exhaust. I can smell the hot shots. It sounds like it's about to high idle. Alright, hot shots is in, fresh oil change. This is first start after the hot shots. You can already hear the turbo. Stinks like hot shots right now. Alright, so here's after a 20-mile drive. That's definitely oil because I can smell the hot shot oil. Yeah, dude, so I got a bad turbo seal. Bastards. Really see with the flashlight on. idle, even though I just drove it. It is hot. It's just cold out. The hot shot started to work. It's never gone this loud. Oh, it's just running away. Seeing our camera out. Never got that high. Alright, at 1100, which is normal for like the normal truck, but this has the SCT tune, and they usually don't go that high. Alright, how to tell if your turbo seals are bad. Okay, here's the exhaust. No smoke right now. Usually there is smoke, but if you take your oil cap off and you let the blow by or whatever excessive air come back out of the oil filter, the CCV, take that off and you let the pressure come out of here, and if your exhaust stops smoking, that's how you can tell your turbo seals are bad. Thank you, Charlie Fish from KC Turbos. All right, I watched his video. He taught me this. Okay. I mean, it's dramatically less. There was a lot of smoke coming out of here. Now we can put this back on. I'll have to go get my light so we can see the difference. Alright, so this is with the oil cap off. See, there's no smoke. We'll put the cap on. Let's see how long it takes for the smoke to go into the back. Let's see if it goes directly to the back. Yep. Already starting to come out. And that's how you know the turbo seals are bad. I'm sure you can see it. See it now? Not bad, but if you wait a couple minutes, it will be bad. It's starting to get worse. I can see it. It's over there. See it in the top left where the water is. Starting to fog. Now it's really, you see that smoke now? Again, that's from Charlie Fish, KC Turbo. Made a cool video to show you how to tell if the turbo seals are bad. You know, I don't know if I want to spend the money on the turbo seals or a new turbo or even put money in the truck in general. But this is a cool way to tell if your seals are bad. Alright. Alright, the turbo is going back together. Now these two gaskets, where's the old one? Anyways, you got this one and this other one that was right here on the turbo. They just had me held up. Okay, I wasn't putting it back together. I wasn't going to do all this work and have a leak. So I had to wait 2 days to get these. All right, I polished this top a little bit so you can actually see that when it's in the truck. Okay, polished it up. Now we got to put this in here. And then these two bolts, apparently it'll help pull it in, but I guess, you know, I've read on the forums that some guys take these out. When I took the truck apart, these weren't on there. Other guys say the same thing, that they're not on there. So, we'll see. I'll put it together. It's not easy, though. All right, let me see if I can get this together. Low pressure into the high pressure. All right. And then I'll throw the truck together. Bye. Alright, so I'm about to take the intercooler off the 6.4 after we had the turbo was blown. Now already, there's the intercooler tube. You can see the oil in there. And that's the second time draining. Alright, so we're going to take it off. We're going to drain this right now. So let's see how this goes. Almost need two buckets. Let's see if we can do this. I hope you guys can see. Alright, it's coming out. Looks like it's totally disconnected. Looks good. Coming out. Coming out. Okay, now this is an all black one. I had a work model, base model. It was all silver. Let's see how much oil's in it. Let's put it in. Let's see, any oil in this thing? Oh my god. As much as I thought it would be way more filled. That's still a lot. I thought it would be way more. I hope that's enough to burn oil. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. It's good. Alright, I'll let that drain out. I'm just gonna shut the camera off. That's not so bad. If it was more full, if it was really bad, it would be pouring out. Alright, feel better that it's probably just the turbo. Over and out. Alright, quick test ride after I put the turbos in. Let's see how much boost we get. Oh, wow, it's fast. Alright, I think I've got 30. In the rear view, no smoke. That's good. Alright, cold start on the 6.4. After the new turbo install. It's only 50 degrees. Not like a freezing cold start, just cold for the, you know, I haven't started in a couple hours. Have other videos of when the turbo seal was bad. Now what's crazy is like I could barely hear the turbo. Kind of sucks. I mean, I thought these turbos would be loud. Kind of hear it now, but I guess maybe the other one was messed up. Maybe when one of them doesn't spin, that's why it's kind of loud. Because they're both working now. They're not even cold enough where it does the hot idle. Go in there and manually do it with my foot, bring it up to 1100 RPM. So this is like 790, 780 RPM. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring it up a little, this way I can hear it. Still smells good over here. When the seals were bad, it used to stink and used to burn a lot of oil.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.